Strategic promotions and discounts are critical in attracting customers, generating sales, and cultivating customer loyalty in the highly competitive retail industry. Recognizing the significance of effective promotions, Shopify POS provides a robust set of features that allow shops to easily design and manage specials. Shopify POS allows shops to use a wide range of promotional methods, from percentage-based discounts to buy one, get one deals. In this video, we'll look at the importance and benefits of promotions in Shopify POS and how they may help you increase sales, improve customer satisfaction, and optimize profits. Creating entertaining promotions. Shopify POS gives retailers an easy-to-use interface for creating promotions. Retailers can easily implement several sorts of promotions such as percentage-based discounts, fixed-amount discounts, free delivery, and buy one, get one deals. The platform's flexibility enables retailers to customize their promotions to specific goods, consumer categories, or timeframes, meeting their specific business requirements. Creating compelling specials is a great approach for attracting new customers and persuading existing customers to buy. Retailers can build urgency and encourage customers to take advantage of limited-time deals by offering discounts or incentives. Increased foot traffic, internet conversions, and overall sales volume can all result from this. Promotions and personalization. The ability to customize offers and target certain client categories is one of the primary benefits of promotions in Shopify POS. Retailers can use consumer data and purchase history to send targeted promotions to individuals or groups of customers with similar tastes. Customers respond more deeply to personalized promotions because they feel cherished and understood by the brand. Retailers can boost the likelihood of conversion and encourage customer loyalty by offering discounts or incentives on products that fit with consumers' preferences or previous purchases. This customized strategy also assists shops in differentiating themselves in a congested market and creating a memorable buying experience. Shopify POS also allows retailers to use customer segmentation for targeted promotions. Retailers can build promotions that appeal to each segment by categorizing customers based on demographics, purchasing behavior, or other relevant characteristics. A fashion retailer, for example, can provide consumers who have previously purchased similar things with exclusive discounts on formal wear. By delivering relevant and meaningful offers, targeted promotions not only increase sales but also build consumer engagement and loyalty. Promotion monitoring and performance evaluation. Effective promotion tracking and analysis is critical for optimizing marketing strategies and increasing return on investment. Shopify POS gives retailers comprehensive tools for tracking promotion success and gaining valuable information. Key parameters like the number of redemptions, revenue produced, and total influence on sales may be tracked by retailers. This information allows retailers to assess the performance of various promotional techniques and fine-tune their approach as needed. Retailers, for example, can learn which promotions result in the highest conversion rates, which products are popular during promotions, and which client segments are most receptive to discounts. With this information, retailers can fine-tune their campaigns, more effectively manage resources, and achieve a higher ROI. Integration and consistency should be seamless. Shopify POS promotions work in tandem with other areas of the retail business, such as the online store and physical point of sale. This offers a uniform customer experience across all touchpoints, whether online or in store. Customers may simply redeem their discounts or incentives at checkout when promotions are seamlessly integrated, promoting a smooth and hassle-free transaction experience.